Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good afternoon from Radio. So let's begin with the webinar. And already know the topic of this webinar is going to be the week ahead. I just want to give some technical analysis for maybe one or two or three pairs. We'll stick with major pairs, but if you want me to take a look at any pairs, just simply drop it at the chat box at your right hand corner, and I will take a look at your preferable currency pair or stock, which one you want. But if there's no preferable currency pair for me or instrument for me to review, I will start with Euro USD, major currency pair. So I will start with Euro USD and give the week ahead what I think will happen. So first, let me check this weekly to see what we have there on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that the Euro USD kind of moving hedging lower, kind of moving downward. And okay, look what is going to happen first. Before we dive deeper on the technical analysis for this Euro USD, take a look at this weekly time frame, and let's see how today closes. If today sessions closes below this bearish candle, then we might be rest assured that next week the Euro USD will continue to fall. That is what I am looking at. So based on this weekly time frame, based on the close of this candle today, why I said based on the close of this candle today, we can see this strong bearish candlestick, and the price already made a new low. So let's see if it will fail to break this previous high. Then if the price fails to break this previous weekly high, then we might be rest assured that the price will be coming downward. That is based on the weekly. So I'll go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what we have there, on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is already making higher highs, lower highs, and higher highs there. So what will happen? First, let's look at the historical data where this decline is coming from. So the decline is coming from this high. What do we have there? And pretty nothing. We got nothing there that the price is coming from. So we'll take this price level again and hit it at this high there. So I go back to the weekly time frame. I want to see something on the weekly time frame. So as we can see, this Euro USD, the Euro USD, there's kind of a strong resistance level at 1.2467. Based on the weekly time frame, we can see this historical level is kind of very strong. Look at it. When you go even backward, you can see how price react when the price got to that level. So the price came closer to that level before, and we see the reaction to the downside. And go back to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we already see what are we looking at right now on this daily time frame. We can see the price already making a lower low and higher lows. This is what the price is already forming. So I go back to the candlestick formation. So it's going to be like this. As I said before, the week ahead, there's going to be two scenarios. What I will be forecasting. So it's going to be like this. If this weekly candle, if today candle fail to break this high, which is at this region, the price will definitely edge lower next week, and we'll be looking at 1.1900 for the Euro USD. That is if the price fails to break that last week highs, then the decline will continue. Why I said the decline will continue? But it's going to be very interesting. Why I said interesting? Technically, look at this set stop. It's kind of set stop here. Look at the way the price reacted at that zone. So we need to watch the way today candle closes. That's when we can decide if this price will be going up or coming downward. But however, if the price break that level and next week continue to break this resistance level at 1.22, the price would definitely, that is, this instrument will definitely test this strong level, the strong level of 12500 next week. That is the Euro USD. This is my focus for the Euro USD 2 case scenario. I'll go back to the weekly time frame again to give you the focus. The weekly time frame is kind of simple. If this price fails to break this resistance level at 1.22 200, yeah, approximately this region, then there might be chances that the price will come to test 1900 1.900 or if the price break this resistance level, then the Euro USD will test approximately 1.2500 next week. So that's my focus. Then I will go to the next major pair, British pounds USD. The British pounds USD, it's kind of simple for the British pounds USD. Why I said it's simple? Because there's kind of a very strong resistance level at this zone, because I've been looking at this price for some time. Yeah, there's kind of strong resistance level. No, this is the level. That was the level. It is on daily time frame. Let's go back to daily time frame. Yeah, this is a very strong resistance level for the British pounds USD. So this is what will happen. The price already tried to break out from that level, or the price is unable to break out from that level for the past 1 week. Yeah, since this week the price tried to break out from that level. It's unable. But if we look very closely, we can see that there was kind of a mini resistance level at this point. Yeah, there's kind of a mini resistance level at that point. Okay, so what will happen next week is going to be simple. We see right now that this price is moving in an ascending channel. Let's put it there, something like that. Yeah, or yeah, somewhere like this. So the British pounds USD, based on the 1 hour time frame, it is kind of moving bullish. It broke yesterday, broke this resistance level at 1.3687 region, somewhere this region, and it makes new high. So what is happening today? Looks like the price came for a retest of that resistance level that we had as support. So let's see how today candles will close for the British pounds USD. If this current candle, daily candle, closes above this resistance level, then I am sure the British pounds USD will aim at more or less, yeah, this region next week, 138,500. So if this price closes above this resistance level, where's the resistance level, I'll make it to be colored and bold so that you see it very good. Put like this. Yeah, this purple line. If this current daily candle closes above this current purple line, then you take it out here. That was kind of a break, a retest, and it's kind of made a deeper retest. How many pips move right now? Let's see. That's 30 pips, more or less 26 pips. Make a pullback 36 and maybe continue moving. So yeah, this is kind of simple. If this current candlestick closes above, then it's going to test next week 1.38500. However, if the prices closes below this resistance level, then we know that's form of a fake out. Then it's kind of a form of a fake out. Then it closes back to the range. Most precisely, next week will make a week. Next trading day, which is on Monday, will make a week up and gradually coming down to break that level. Moreover, if the price closes below and next week make it that week up, that is on Monday, and start coming below, then the downside target will likely be this region. That is 135,500. That's going to be the downside target for the British pounds. And the next one, USD JPY. The USD JPY, we see that this price has been, this instrument kind of declining for a very long time. A downtrend move for the USD JPY. Kind of moving bearish for the very long time, that is since March 2020. But the price right now is located closer to the upper boundary of a long-term channel downward. So what are we looking at next week? It's going to be like this, simple, the same. If the pair breaks this level, which is 10400, then there's big chances the trend for the USD JPY will change to the upside. So let's be very cautious of this level. Be very cautious of this level, which is let me reduce it a little bit. Yeah, this level. Let's be cautious of this level. And what are we looking at right now on this daily time frame? The daily time frame looks good. Why is it, does it look good? It already break the previous daily high, and it did not make any low. So however, we can see the price is testing a support level that we had as resistance, which is this region. No. Which is this region. The price is currently testing a support level that will become resistance. Yeah, so we need to be cautious of this level. If the price break this level and a break has occurred through the upper boundary of a long-term descending channel, the USD JPY will start a new trend. That is what before it starts a new trend, the structure needs to break. Where is the last highs for this structure? It's at this level, which is that is the last high of that structure, 104.36 region. So the price break, come to retest and finally closes above that previous high, then the structure already changed. And if we take channel, we can easily place the channel there like this. But we need the structure to break, and we need this current price to close this above this resistance level at 103.67. And finally, take a look at gold USD. The good USD is kind of simple, very simple. Why? Looking at this pair is kind of making the downward movement. There's kind of a strong resistance level at this zone, and the price tested it yesterday. Take it here somewhere. This, yeah, let's put it there. I'll readjust it once. Yeah, we can see what happened. The price break that strong resistant level, closes above that resistant level. So in all tendency, the gold supposed to be moving to the upside because it already break out from this strong resistant level. However, what are we looking at right now? That the gold is kind of making this downward move, which is not good. It already breaks yesterday low level, so definitely it has made a new low and fails to break this high level. So it still depends on the close of today candle. If this this gold make a pullback and closes above that strong resistant level, then we'll be happy. Why? Because the movement will continue to the going to movement will continue moving upside. However, if it closes below this level, then next week, beginning from Monday, the price might wake up, tested this resistant level, and start coming downward. Maybe to test the first 1,800 and the second 1,700 or so. So guys, this is the technical analysis for the week ahead next week. So we'll see how it plays out. Maybe next week I will bring it up and look what plays out and what did not plays out. So till then, remain blessed, good luck with your trade, and see you next week. Bye bye for now.